we know sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, or sine 90 is equal to 1. Can you prove? You can just watch till the end. First, we are going to find values sin 30 and sin 60. Take an equilateral triangle with side A. In equilateral triangle, each angle is 60. Now add a bisector, which we are going to call AD. Bisector will divide the triangle into two new symmetrical triangles.
Take any one of them. To get AD, we can use Pythagorean theorem.
Solving the equation, we will get a square root 3 by 2. Now, as we know, sin 60 equals height by hypotenuse.
Note that in front of angle is height.
In this case, AD. Now just to put values, and we'll get the value of sine 60. We can get value of sine 30 in the same way, but this time height will be CD. Now we are finding the value of sine 45. Take an isosceles right angle triangle which have two sides A. We have to find AC by again using the theorem. By equating the equation, we will get it by root 2. In isosceles right angle triangle, two angles are 45 degree and 190. Just do the same to get the value of sine 45 degree, which is 1 by root 2. Let's find value of sin 0, which is little different. Let's have a triangle with one angle x. Now we are going to decrease height of the triangle, which is AC. We will observe as height decrease, angle also decrease. So when angle equals 0, height will be 0 as well. Therefore sine 0 is equal to 0. Almost same case with sine 90. In the same way, take a triangle with angle x. This time we will decrease base. Again, observer as base decreases, angle increases. So when angle equals 90, base will be 0 and height will be equal to hypotenuse. Since height and hypotenuse are same, so by solving the equation, we will get 1. And you are done. You can use the same way to get value of other ratios as well. Subscribe.